Tired of juggling data between Aisensy and Google Sheets? Let's bridge that gap and unlock automation superpowers. First, navigate to the Integrations or Settings section within your Aisensy dashboard. This is where the magic begins. Look for the Google Sheets integration option and click the Connect or Authorize button. Aisensy needs your permission to talk to Google Sheets, so follow the on-screen prompts. You'll be directed to a Google Authentication page. Choose the Google account you want to link to Aisensy and grant the necessary permissions. Make sure you're logged into the correct account. Now, back in Aisensy, you'll find options to either import data from Google Sheets into Aisensy or export data from Aisensy to Google Sheets. Let's start with importing. Specify the Google Sheet ID and then the sheet name that contains the data you want to use. For exporting, follow a similar process. Select the Google Sheet and the sheet name where you want to send your Aisensy data here. You'll likely need to map Aisensy fields, like customer names or order details, to the corresponding columns in your Google Sheet. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Aisensy with Google Sheets. Now you can automate personalized messaging using your spreadsheet data, or easily analyze your Aisensy data within Google Sheets. The possibilities are endless.